Hey Michelle, you know where we'll be this time next weekend?
Yes, New South Wales.
Tenterfield at Mole River.
At Agora Hideaway.
Agora Hideaway, and we're going there for the
American Truck and Van Jamboree.
We are indeed, but you're going to have to get a lift. I can't take you.
I know.
Yeah. Anyway, I've got a lift for Michelle. She's coming down with custom lithium.
Well, I see my boy playing. Well, the sun's just rising on the open plains, and the wandering huckleberries are on the road again. In their off-grid caravan, with their dog and no plan, they're heading anywhere just because they can. Oh, the wandering huckleberries, they roam so free through the red outback and the swaying gum trees, from the desert to the mountains and then maybe the sea, chasing adventure with nowhere to be.
What a massive weekend we've just had here at Agora Hideaway for the second American Truck and Van Jamboree, Australia's biggest gathering of American trucks, the biggest camp out for American trucks, and it's just going to get bigger. Campers that were here came from all over Australia. I know you've shared a lot of information, and I know a lot of people have learnt a lot. Yeah, g'day. Well, it's Monday, April 28th, and I'm just heading out to Agora Hideaway. I just got some fuel at Tenterfield. So I'm about to take the Mole River Road turn-off and head out to Agora Hideaway. And this is the one that goes out to the property, Mole Station Road.
What we got here, mate?
No one special.
How you going, Glenn?
Just a lad arriver.
I'm gathering that you're here for the American Truck Gathering, mate.
Of course, mate. Isn't everybody?
And what are you expecting, or what are you hoping to get out of this event?
I'm hoping to learn more, mate. Lots more.
Who we got here?
Oh, g'day.
I've hitched a ride.
Wayne.
Wayne and I just found her on the side of the road, so I
And
thought
I
I'd bring her out for a drive.
Hey, Michelle.
Hey, Glenn.
Where are we now?
We're coming into Casino.
Casino, aren't we supposed to be at Tenterfield at Mole River at Agora Hideaway?
We've been there already, but we had to go into Lismore to pick up a big generator for vans.
Yeah, whoops.
Whoops.
Yeah, we were searching for a unicorn generator and we found one, but it was at Lismore. So 2.5 hour drive to Lismore. What do we need?
A wine.
Ah, beer. I gotta stop. We gotta get some beer. Cool.
Yeah, there's a lot of American trucks there already, so a few more have rolled in since we've been out, so looking forward to see how many more are there.
This is what an American Truck and Van Jamboree is all about.
Yeah.
Bring your big rig next year. Cheers. Yeah, Ross is going to help Dave check in. We got a 5 o'clock check-in.
Somebody here is going to win a $2,200 Clever Shade awarding, 270 green Clever Shade awarding just to be here. So that'll be a random draw. And I think if you're going to talk to any of the exhibitors, even the ones that aren't here yet, you'll do a pretty good deal.
This is what it's all about, is spending time with fellow campers and enjoying everyone. And again, please, if you get a chance, make sure you support our local tourist trucks. So we've got our 2 food trucks as well. they're here and they're going to cook up a song for you and enjoy the band, enjoy everything that's happening. And hopefully you win some games and some prizes. And no problem, thanks for having us. All
So our next item is thank you to another one of our sponsors, which is G&L Motor Repairs and Performance. So I'm going to start on this one. This one's going to be popular. I'll let you open it up. So our 500 I've got, our 600, 650 now, 7. Our 750 at the back. Third, final call at 975. Sold. Congratulations.
Just right. When it's over, I feel it in me pain the closing time. But tonight your memory found me too much sober. I couldn't drink enough to get you out of my mind. Tonight, I don't let you down. Don't let your memory
Ah, lovely. Let's have a look.
So it's got this on here. So these guys here.
Yeah.
So there we go there. But wait for it. Look what's in the back.
Ah, it's a ram. Gotta love it.
Yeah, so that's a barge for you.
Thank you.
Hey Jack, how you going today? What will it be? The usual he'd say, well you go take a seat, put up your feet, and take off that load over by the window.
Who's having a good time? Where are we? Oh, you lost. The what? I don't know. Maybe they've had a couple.
I'ma tell this world that you're my baby. I see my nails and I put on my thumbs. I'm getting nervous, but it sure is fun. Come on, baby, then you drive me crazy. Goodness gracious. Come on.
Good evening, ladies. How are you? Good. Hey, this is great food, hey?
Yeah, I'm taking the last order of wings for the night.
Excellent, and food is great, everybody loves it. Hey, we've had some cars and vans come in and they've got extended range tanks. They came in from Adelaide and put nearly $1,000 worth of fuel in their car and the jerry cans.
Oh, true.
Yeah, they filled right up. But how good for Tenterfield, hey?
Yeah.
And what about this event? Is it what you expected? Is it bigger? Is it smaller? Did you think it was a little club, or what did you think?
It was quite odd that people in cars would get together to show off like that we all have the same car. I didn't quite think it would work, but it does.
Well, don't say that because there's F trucks, there's Chevys, and there's Rams, and there's a bit of competition there,
Oh, is there?
and a bit of banter. Yeah.
Like, how did this actually start?
Yeah.
But you know, Harleys.
By
How
accident.
did Harleys start?
I got 6 people together to go camping with who had Rams,
Yeah.
and it blew out.
Yeah, and it just went a bit crazy.
It did.
Always be a good boy. Don't ever play with guns. I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Load that truck, get out of town. Go somewhere where we won't be found. Don't city lights won't shine us no more. We could sit there fishing on a river, taking just can't wait to get on the road again. I find love this week and Tuesday with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road.
All right, here we are at the American Truck and Van Jamboree Big Rig Park. We've got all the rigs in a row behind me, and it'll be the biggest photo shoot of American rigs in Australia. Last year was the biggest with Rams. This year it's the biggest with all American trucks. Watch this flyover.
The Big Rig Games run by Dave and Ross have just bring in adventures.
Go on the munch.
Up and down, come on, get it going.
Who have we got here?
John and Katie.
John and Katie, and Dave and Roz, of course, who ran the Big Rig Games, and this is the major prize.
And John and Katie have driven all the way up from Adelaide to be here.
Look at that.
We have. It's been absolutely fantastic and can highly recommend it.
Yeah, you definitely come again?
Oh, for sure, 100%.
Everyone who was here has a number. So I'm going to get somebody to pick a number at random. I want you to pick a number between 1 and 131. 10. Let's see who 10 is. Graham Peaver. Graham Peaver. Are you here? Okay, Jade is going to draw the winner of the Anaconda voucher. And this is the receipts that you wrote your names on the back of. Peter Lavis. Peter Lavis, where are you? You just won a $300 Anaconda voucher. Who have we got here? This looks like Dave from Just Brilliant Adventures.
Dave and Michelle.
He can't hold his drink. Look, I think he
can't,
spilled
I
it
just
all over
spilled
his
it.
hand.
I got,
Hey?
I got close to Michelle.
And she's got
nervous.
Mrs. Huckleberry right there.
Mrs. Huckleberry.
Hey.
I can't do it because I've got my hands full, but I'm trying to do the old Huckleberry handshake.
Yeah, it's the 3-finger salute. Not the single finger salute. We don't do that one. We do the 3-finger salute.
So we just did dad jokes with Dave, and they were pretty good. So Dave brought his own jokes. I think yours are actually the better ones. So
That's all right.
They are
It's all
awesome
about
jokes.
The crowd, not us.
Just Brilliant Adventures do dad jokes when?
At the end of every episode.
Tune in to Just Brilliant Adventures. Like and subscribe. There you go. Leave a comment. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got to say thank you for coming to Agora Hideaway and supporting the American Truck and Van Jamboree 2025 in its second year. It's the biggest American truck event in Australia. We had the biggest photo shoot with all the trucks up on the hill yesterday. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for being here. Back in the day, I'm sure you had a Ford or you had a Holden. You may even have had a Valiant. But we just got bigger and better. Now we've got Rams, F-Trucks, and Chevys. Same, bigger, better. So next year I'll be calling for volunteers to help us out with the 2026. And I think I've got too many volunteers already. Tonight's entertainment, of course, is Simply Bush. Simply Bush have been around for 35 years. We're lucky enough to have them here in this location before they do go into retirement. So you're very, very privileged to be here for this. And they've got some songs that may even bring a tear to your eye. We've got some military people here, and they've got some songs that might resonate with you a little. And one of my favourites is a song called There Won't Be Any Holdens Anymore. Yeah, I'm going to sit in the dark for that one because it does bring a bit of a tear. In fact, can I say it? John Williamson himself called the guys and said he wished he wrote that song. I've got to thank Dave and Roz. This is Dave. They're part of the fabric of this event. I don't think we could do it without them. I'd like you to all put your hands together for Dave and Roz. Just Brilliant Adventures. Post your photos up of this weekend. Promote it. The page will be up there for the rest of the year, and 2026 event will be promoted on there. So, having said that, I'd like to hand over to Dave. He's got a few prizes to give away. He's going to make it short and sweet. Dave.
Yeah, right. Most of you know that I'm a man of few words. First of all, this event could not definitely happen without Glenn. All right, Glenn started it last year with the Ram trucks gathering. All the Chevy and Ford owners had a bit of a bleep. Why can't we come? It's because you don't own a Ram. This year, Glenn opened it up to everybody, all right, and everybody came. Yeah, so I'd like you all to put your hand together for Glenn and Michelle. Glenn's the brains of this thing. I'm just the looks.
I'd like you to welcome Simply Bush.
Woo!
looking at you, mate. Don't feel bad, it'll be okay. We've all got things to do as another day begins. See you when I'm looking at you, mate.
Anyway, we're packing up now to go home after a fantastic week away.
That's right. And what are you going to do now?
Like and subscribe, Wandering Huckleberries.
Leave a comment.
Please.
If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye. So a big thank you to everyone that came. Big thank you to the bands. Big thank you to Dave and Roz from Just Brilliant Adventures and all of our sponsors. Yeah, I heard no complaints from anyone at all. It was fantastic. Everybody seems committed enough to come to the 2026 event, and we'll be letting people know where that's going to be real soon. After we find the property, we'll go and camp on it, and we test it out, take it for a test run. And thanks for supporting our sponsors. Once again, great big thank you to everybody who came. Too many names to remember, but some real characters. You know who you are, and we're bound to catch up with you even before the next event. Those that are going to Monday, look each other up. Send us a photo of those people that were here, post it on the page. Continue to use the page as a voice for American trucks, and we'll see you real soon. Wandering Huckleberries.
So if you hear their song, when the wind starts to call, you'll know the wandering huckleberries are traveling through it all. With the sun on their backs and the moon up above, they're making their memories and living the dream.
Cheers. Life's good.